This is video 4 for Math0302 beginning algebra chapter 5 section 2. In this video we're going to be adding polynomials. Now notice that it says to add polynomials combine like terms. And in stars it says the sign in front of a term goes with the term. Okay, so we have 5x squared minus 3xy plus 6x minus x cubed. Okay. The first term here is right here. We have 5x squared. The second term here isn't 3xy, it's negative 3xy. The third term here is positive 6x. And the fourth term here is negative x cubed. Good. Now looking at this real quick, what would be the degree of this polynomial? If you said degree 3, you're correct, because that's the highest degree term that we have. Okay, let's look at practice 3 real quick. It says perform the indicated operations. Now notice, what's the operation between these? Addition. We don't multiply. Let me say that one more time. Because we're adding, we don't multiply. Now you're probably wondering why I'm being so hard-nosed about that. It's because the most common mistake for these types of problems is for you to multiply when you should add. Because in the next section we're going to be multiplying and you kind of get that confused in your head. I want you to be very careful about this when we do the problems. Make sure that the operation between the two is what you're actually performing, which in this case is addition. Now, because it's addition, I don't need to do anything other than drop the parentheses. So that's going to give me negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 1 plus we have the negative 2x squared plus x plus 3. Now I don't really like seeing this here, a plus and negative, so really instead of writing that, what I would prefer you do is just write minus 2x squared, because that's what plus and negative means, right? Minus 2x squared. Okay, then we simply combine like terms. The first term here is negative 2x squared. 5x is not a like term. Negative 1 is not a like term. Negative 2x squared is, though. X is not, 3 is not. So the only like terms with x squared here is right here. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. Keep the label the same. Then we go to the next one, 5x. 1 is not a like term. X is, though. 3 is not a like term. 5x plus x is plus 6x. Now let's look at the negative 1. Notice that 3 is also a like term. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. There you go. Notice that this was a degree 2 trinomial plus a degree 2 trinomial. This becomes a degree 2 trinomial. It doesn't always work out like that, but it just happened to this time. Alrighty. Negative 3x squared minus 4x plus 9 plus 2x squared minus 2x. Notice again, the operation is addition. Be very careful about that. Because it's addition, I don't change any signs here. All I pretty much do is just drop the parentheses. So this is going to be negative 3x squared minus 4x plus 9 plus 2x squared minus 2x. And then again, like terms. Negative 3x squared, the like term with it, is plus 2x squared. So negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1x squared, or just negative x squared. Please do not write the 1 in front. It bugs me. Okay, the next one, negative 4x and negative 2x. Those two are like terms, add them together. Negative 4 plus negative 2 is negative 6, and keep the x the same. And then we have a plus 9. And now the last one. 5z cubed plus 3z squared plus 4z plus 5z squared plus 4z. Again, what's the operation between the two? Addition, which means I don't need to change any signs. All I need to do is just pretty much drop the parentheses. So it gives me 5z cubed plus 3z squared plus 4z plus 5z squared plus 4z. Then I just combine like terms. Notice that the highest degree here is 3, so I start with it. 5z cubed, there are no other z cubes, therefore I'm left with 5z cubed here. The next degree is 2, so z squared, so 3z squared and 5z squared, both of those are like terms. 3z squared plus 5z squared is 8z squared. Then degree 1, we have 4z, and we also have 4z. 4 plus 4 is 8, so that's plus 8z. So the answer here is 5z cubed plus 8z squared plus 8z. What's the degree for this polynomial? If you said degree 3, you're correct. What type of a polynomial is it? It's a trinomial. Okay, let's look previously. The negative x squared minus 6x plus 9. What's its degree? It's degree 2. What type of polynomial? It's a trinomial. And then the one previous to that is negative 4x squared plus 6x plus 2. What's its degree? 2. What's its type? Trinomial. Alrighty, I will see you in the next video.